Hello friends, and welcome to the video tutorial of Helpdesk contact form creation in WordPress. So how can you create contact form for your WordPress website? So now we all know that WordPress is an open source CMS built on PHP, and it is mostly used in blogging websites, and this data has been found on the Wikipedia. So the CMS is highly popular, and among 25% of the sites of the world are developed in WordPress. In WordPress, you have various plugins which provide custom feature to the existing WordPress sites, and plugins are useful as it provides additional functionality and take your site to the next level. Now, by default, there is no contact us form on the WordPress website, and we all know the importance of the contact us form. It is a medium by which the customer can ask the query to the store owner, and without any contact form, it will be difficult for the customer to communicate their doubts to the store owner. So, basically, one form is not enough for your site. For running an e-commerce site, for example, on WordPress, you have to use WooCommerce. For blogging site, you can make use of WordPress. Now, taking example of an e-commerce site, for adding the functionality of contact us form, people use many third-party plugins in WordPress. Now, there may be vulnerability in the plugins which may be a threat to your website. Also, a site needs more than one form to be connected to the customers, like feedback form, poll form, subscription form, and many more. Now, for the better query management, the website owner can also link the contact us form with their email ID so that they can get the queries of the customer over their mailbox. This seems simple, that replying to the customer queries, but the management part is really tough. Suppose you have a single form, for example, contact us form on your site, and if in case you get 500 to 1000 customer queries daily on your contact us form, it will be difficult for the site owner to reply 500 queries daily, and there might be a chance that he might miss any query, and if the customer doesn't get revert in a particular time, then chances are the customer will go away, and it will surely affect your business. So why contact form is important, we all know, and how you can overcome this problem, and that is Desk. So you can make use of form builder app by Desk, which can create a new ticket when any user submit the contact us form or any form created by the form builder app. So we will explain you the importance and how you can connect with your customer through form builder app. So we have to go to app and then all apps. So this is basically my Desk dashboard. So you can see all apps. So you can see form builder, Facebook and Twitter. So we'll click on form builder. So you can see this is the form builder, and this is the overview, like why form builder is necessary and the explanation part, and the other one is your instruction part. So now, what is form builder? Form builder app allows the user to merge the default label and the custom label together and create a new form as per your need. The user can embed the code easily into the HTML codes of their site, and then this app will work seamlessly. Now you can add as many levels in this form builder. So there are many advantages also of this form builder. The first one, for easy receiving notification when someone fills out the form. So if the form is created by the form builder, so and any your user client fills the form and submit, then you will get an email notification at that moment only, in the real time. So you will get to know that okay, this X person has submitted the form. For browsing threads in single place and see them clearly. So each time a user submits the form, a ticket is generated. So you can sort the ticket by any string. Like for example, the string name is demand. So in the mail, how you will search the mail with the string name demand, but in the ticket system you can search with the string name demand and you will get the result in a classified manner, and it will be easy for you to check. Now the third one is one can embed web forms without having prior knowledge of coding. So after you have created the form by using the form builder, you will get the codes. One will be embedded and public URL. In embedded you will get two types, that is JS based and iframe. What you have to do, you have to just copy the codes and then you have to paste in your HTML code of your website. So that's all you have to do. So the coding part is really easy, and there is no such need of coding also. You just have to copy and paste into your HTML code, and I will show you in the later part. And fourth one is for making the appearance of the contact form much more appealing. Yeah, it will merge, it will go with any platform and with your existing theme also. It will not hamper your existing theme, the styling, because as it is a SaaS based product, so it is independent of your theme, so it will work very properly with your existing theme. So there will be no conflict, and this contact form or any other form which you will create from the form builder will enhance the beauty of your site. So now let's see how you can create the form from this form builder app. Now you have to go to ticket custom field, and here you have to drag and drop the field. So I have added custom radio field, the select one checkbox, and this is the text one. So what you can do, you can name over here. For example, I will name as field 1. Its dependency, that is question, user type, who can use, customer, agent, or both, what is the placeholder, like in which position it will be displayed, and the status, active, and if it is a mandatory field then you have to click here and then you have to save here. Now you have to go to all apps and then you have to click on configure, and then you will get this. Then you can create a new form from here, or you can edit from this existing. So I will create a new form. So you can enter the form names, suppose test 1. You can select these all fields, and then these are mandatory, and if any custom field is not present here, then you can click here and then you can create a new field, and then you can add in this particular test 1 form, and then from here you can save it. So now it is getting saved. So from here you can see, from here you can preview the form. You can see customer name, your email, your query type, subject, and message. You can, and from here you can get the embedded code, JS version, iframe version, and the public URL. So this is the direct link of your form. So you can even click here and then you can see you will be redirected to this form 1, and these are the details. So you can also give this URL to your customer if they ask, direct URL. So what I will do, I will copy this form and then I will go to the HTML file and then I will paste it, and now I will show you how to do it. Now this is my HTML file. So here you have to paste that embedded code. And then you have to save it, and then now let's see on the front end. And now you can see the form contact us on the front end. So I will enter my name, you have to select the query type. I will enter my test, and then I will submit the form. So once I have submitted the form, I can see my ticket ID generated. Now you can see that you have successfully created a ticket with this ID. Now let's move to the UVdesk panel and see how the ticket has been created and how a agent can see it. Now this is the ticket, so you can see the subject, the message, and this was the name and this was the email ID, and this is the ticket number 17388. 17388. So this is all about this particular form builder app. So if you have any doubt regarding this app, you can just raise a support ticket at support@uvdesk.com. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial.